Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a meeting in a Microsoft Teams desktop app on your Windows 11. The first thing I want you to do is actually check if you have been invited, okay, to the meeting personally, then you'll find it in your calendar if they use your email address. So if it is in your calendar, you can just click on that meeting and then you just click on join, okay? And as you can see, we will be able to join the meeting. Just click on join now. Or what you can do, if you haven't shared a link, let's say by email, then you just go ahead and click on that link. I'll just copy and paste it. And then they'll ask you this, open msteams.exe. Okay, so if you click here on open, then you'll be basically opening that meeting right here on the app, okay? You can either continue on the browser or you can join on the Teams app. And that is the process. You'll be able to join that meeting. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.